Hi, my name is King, and this is my video demonstration of the app. So this will be the phone screen, and you click right here, which uh, opens a loading screen, and and it will load the page. Yeah, and the next screen will be welcome. Please log in, right? So they can click here, which will bring out a keyboard, and with it they can type in, and once they do, once they put some data in the username, it will show the data as well as a signifiers that they have feedback that a data authentication showing that the username is correct, and then it will automatically go to the password, and once they type in the password, a data will be shown, and yet again, and it will show that the data is authenticated, right? And they can click continue to go to the home page. But let's say that it's their first time to this app. They can click here, create an account. It will bring in this page where they can create an account, and suddenly they can click here and will open up a keyboard, and yet again they can input the data. Yeah, and after they input the data, they they put in their username and their password. They can hit create an account, which will bring to this home page. So within the home page, there are various things they can do. For one, they can hit this, right? And this will bring in the menu bar, and through here they can either log out, which will bring them to this page, or they can click help button, which will bring the help pop-up. There they can go to help center, support forum, YouTube videos, submit feedback, ask a community contact support, and they can also go back to previous UI or go to home page. And in the home page they can also click the search bar right here, and it will once again bring the keyboard, and they can find the recent inputs data. So let's say if they want to look up if a certain student came into evening labs, they can see if the data comes up, and then here they can click here to take a picture of the student ID. This is supposed to be the camera, and once there is a picture or a card, they can press the take a photo button, which will bring to the next page, and this is the information page, which automatically bring up the data of the name of the student, the professor they have a class for in the department, the class they're taking, and the current date. If for example there was an error and there was a mistake in their name or the name of the professor, they can click any of it and it will bring up the pop-up, and then they can edit that data. And once they hit done, it will bring back to the home page, and from there they can either hit this option, which will bring them to information. They can input the data manually, okay, and once they do, they can hit done, which will bring to the home page yet again, and they can hit this button, which will bring them to the Excel file. An Excel file is basically what it is, Excel file, and will have all the data that has been inputted. And so, for example, they can scroll and see who has signed in on what days, and they can sort it in any way possible. But for example, if they were to look for a certain professor, which students from certain professor has came to tutor sessions, they can click the search button, and will bring the keyboard, and they can type it in, and the data will come up. Or the from here there is a quick quick way to go to the camera. They can click here, which will bring them to the camera, and they can take another picture of a student ID or whatever. And yeah, so that's my design. Thank you for listening.